everyone, here's Victoria from CHINT T&D Overseas Marketing Division. CHINT T&D, a subsidiary of CHINT Group, has been a trusted provider in high voltage equipment and EPC contractors in power transmission, distribution, and power generation. Within an investment of $950 million, CHINT T&D has one of the world's largest factories. Today, let's deep in the daily life of the CHINT T&D workshops to see how our star products, transformer and GIS are made step by step. Let's go. Hello, I am in the T&D office area. Today, let's meet our international sales team. So now we are in the first floor of CHINT T&D building. All the international sales team are located in this floor. Here we have the Middle East Business Division. Hello, this is our manager Andy who's talking on the phone. Thank you. So beside of the Middle Eastern Business Division, we have the West Asia and West Africa. It's such huge area, so we have many employees here. Oh, hello, Tina. Hi, Tina. And this is our director. Hello.
Hello, welcome to CHINT. Enjoy the trip here.
Thank you. So now let's go to visit the Europe Business Division. Hi, guys. Oh, hey.
Здравствуйте, я Анастасия. Добро пожаловать в CHINT. Спасибо.
So, thank you. So beside of all the area, we also have Asia Pacific and the South America Business Division. So all the sales team are located in here. If you are one of our clients, you may just talking one of them right now. Let's say hi to the head of CHINT T&D Overseas Marketing Division.
And welcome to our office. I hope you will have a good time to see our factories.
Okay, let's go to the factories. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Hello, here's Victoria and now I'm in the GIS workshop. Today, I'm going to meet our GIS engineer, Thomas.
Hi, Victoria.
Hi, Thomas.
Welcome. And today, I'm going to show you around in our GIS assembly workshop. What we can see here is a partial assembly workshop of GIS. And today, we are going to visit our general assembly workshop of GIS. So this way, please.
Okay, let's go. I was told to take a shower.
Yes, a shower.
A shower?
Hey, Victoria, how do you like the shower?
The shower? Wow, that was awesome.
Yes, I know. Well, now I'm presenting you our GIS assembly workshop. This is fully enclosed and dust-free workshop.
It's dust-free?
Yes, dust-free.
Okay.
And with constant temperature and humidity. Our GIS products are assembled in such highly required environment.
Oh.
Yes, that's how we guarantee the quality of our GIS.
Oh, great, yeah.
And we also have our area of the testing.
Oh.
Yes, you can see here. Wow.
Oh.
That's alive. That's alive. They are now performing the test.
Oh, they're doing the testing right now.
The test right now. And we can see this little fella. Actually, not little, just that big. This is a line impulse generator. It can imitate the line conditions to verify our GIS to see if it's work well in lightning regions or not.
Oh.
So let's go. This is a power frequency withstand voltage testing device. With all these testing devices, we can make sure that we offer our high quality products to our clients.
Great. Let's go. So what's next?
What's next? Oh, I got one. So this is it.
Hey Thomas, what is the type of this GIS?
Oh, well, you can come close. This is our 252 kV GIS. What we can see, three pieces separated. And the assembly here is almost finished.
It's almost finished?
We are now vacuuming the enclosure of the chamber.
Oh. Thank you so much for showing me around today.
Well, that's my pleasure. And we have a very professional production line for GIS, but not enough time for today.
That's okay.
I promise, next time you come here, I will show you around every corner you want to see, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Hello, here's Victoria, and I'm in the Transformer Business Unit. I'm here to meet my friend, the engineer of Transformer, Doug. Hey, hi, Doug. Hello.
Hello, Victoria. Hello, everyone. This is Doug, and today I will introduce for you the transformers, our workshop, and our test center, and also our product. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, I'm so excited. Lady first, thank you so much. Hello everyone, I'm finally in the factory. Hi Doug.
Hi.
I heard that the Transformer Business Unit is a member of National Transformer Industry, is that right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, so I saw so many people here. So how many people are working here today?
600.
600 people?
Yeah.
Okay. The space must be huge. How big it is?
40,000 square meters. We have two factories. Here is just one.
Here's just one?
Yeah.
Wow. So 40,000 square meters here.
And here is our workshop for the cooling windings, and it's the most important for transformers, like a heart for the outputs.
Oh, the heart of outputs. Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna pass the view to you, okay, to introduce it. Yeah.
And I will introduce cooling winding for you. And look, this is 132 kV cooling windings. And it uses the capacity conductor and tangle continuous the winding method. And for this structure can improve the insulating strength for cooling winding.
So how long will it take to finish one of like this heart?
Because it's detailed and long work, it's according to the different projects. They need to process cooling winding for 3 to 7 days. It's a hard work.
Wow, hard-working man, such hard job.
Okay, let's go directly to the general assembly workshop by the first door.
Okay. Wow, there's a nice big guy.
Yes, here is our general assembly workshop, and here is the last percent before the transformer test, and then he will be assembled and inspect here, and then we'll transfer the test center by our air crash track, and this is 240 megawatt transformers. But he is not biggest in our transformers manufacturing history. The biggest guys has 1,200 megawatts. And also we have some special guys, like very quiet guys, and his noise only has 49 dBA.
Uh-huh. Is this like like environment friendly?
Yes, very environment friendly guys who like to eat natural yeast oil.
Natural yeast oil.
Yes. Yeah, it's very funny guys.
Okay.
And then, okay, let me check together like the portions, conservator cabinet, and the vase. Oh, okay, here's all be done. And okay, let's go to the test stand and see how the guys test be done.
Okay. Hello everyone. Now we are in the office, the testing center, and from this window we can see how the transformer is tested before it's shipped out.
Hello everyone. Now this transformer is doing his temperaturized testing, and the testing for a transformer like the checking for a person. It has very many items like the temperaturized, no loud loss, and lighting, brace, taste, and so on. And our test center has passed the CHINT certification, and we also cooperated with like CHINT, Astra, and many international institutions. And also our many products has passed their certifications. And after his testing be done, and this transformer will be disassembled and packaged, and then he will transfer to a special part, and then beginning his romantic trip. And our transformer has been exported to more than 100 countries. Yes,
Wow.
more than 100.
More than 100 countries.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for showing me around.
You are welcome. And that's all for today.
Okay,
Next
Simia.
time,
Yeah.
maybe I can introduce.
Thank you all for visiting CHINT TND. I'm Victoria. I hope you enjoying the trip. Please be well and be healthy. We are looking forward to see you soon.